Welcome back, LEGO Space fans. Today we're taking a look at the LEGO City Space Rover Explorer. Starting us off with the little piece of terrain here, you can see two little forms of alien life. These are just some minifigure heads with alien prints on them. Then you've got here some pools of liquid, because I don't know if there's water in this land of space. And then you get a little space crystal there, which is used to create the batteries in this LEGO City lineup. Speaking of LEGO batteries, this is where they place the LEGO batteries, right in between the two back tires on either side of the model. Then at the front of the rover, you can see here two hydraulics using spring pieces. These are golden and black, and then we've got springs there. You can see the shock absorbers working out pretty well there, which is really cool. And then it's also got these tires in the back that can kind of go like this to traverse terrain. I'll give a better demonstration. All right, I'm gonna be using this little rock formation here that you get with the LEGO set to demonstrate how these shocks work. So if I press down on the set, you can see that the shocks go up and over top of the terrain. And then in the back with those tires, they can move freely over top of this terrain as well. And you can just see how that works. It actually works pretty well. It's just on some Technic pins there that allow them to get a good movement here of swiveling to traverse rocks. Then you can see the large windscreen here with a couple light fixtures. On the top there, you got a space logo print as well as an antenna. And if you move around to the back, there's also a space logo at the bottom of here. And that little lever you can flick to pull down to see that there is a little space droid or robot on the inside there. So to access that robot, I can't really get my fingers in through the back door. So the roof actually takes off in a section here, as well as the windscreen. And then you can access the inside here to pull out this little robot. It's got little tires on it, the little battery that powers the vehicle. And then it has a blue coloring at the top as a scientist robot or something. I'm not really 100% sure. The creativity is yours, so you can go ahead and do as you please with that robot. And you got two minifigs on the inside here, so there's room for two of them. Remove those two minifigs. You can see there's some seating fixtures, as well as there is a little control screen on the inside there. So I think it's pretty cool how the windscreens can pop off to access the inside pretty easily. Get both the windscreen on as well as this topper part, and it closes up pretty nicely. It's really cool. Now it's time to take a look at the space minifigures. You have here a green space minifigure with the traditional spacesuit prints on both the legs and torso. On the back there you have a solar panel, and then you have a blue space minifigure with the standard spacesuit prints as well on the legs and torso. And then on the back, you just kind of have a jetpack or oxygen tank there. And then they both come with two accessories, a range finder, as well as a little camera, which is pretty cool, I guess, to take photos of the alien life. And the color scheme fits this rover here pretty well with the white, the orange highlights kind of coming through on the tires as well as across the ship here. And then another little bit of that sand blue color, which is really cool to see across the set. Overall, this has been one of my favorite LEGO City Space sets so far to put together. I've definitely assembled some of them. You can, if you follow the channel here, you could see those, but this one has been my favorite so far. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little review, and stay tuned for more LEGO City Space stuff because I'm not done with the collection yet.